Yeah, so hello guys, today we are going to add Firebase in our C++ project. So let's get started. So here you can see you have to download Firebase C++ SDK, and after download you can see that we can get like this. So in this we have include folder and a libs folder. So first you need to add some of the things, that is .lib file. So from that downloadable content you can go in the libs and in the Windows VS 2019, and we are going to link it statically. Okay, so for that we are choosing empty, and if you do want to do dynamic linking you can choose MD. So we are going to take empty, and our system is x64, and we are going to do it in debug. So you can also do for release also. So here are some libs file. You have to copy this and paste it in your project, that Firebase SDK name. So here you can paste all the lib file. So after pasting all the lib file you need to go there, and yeah, in the include file you take this include and paste it here. So here, see, here are all the include files are there. So yeah, after doing this you have to go to your project. So in project you can go in the solution explorer and right click on your project and hit the properties. So here you can see many sections are there. So first you need to go in C++ general. In here it is additional include directory. So here it is written, so what you need for this, uh, in your project where the include files are there, you have to copy this path and paste it here. So here you can paste by edit and paste it here. Okay, so after that you have to go to the code generation. So here you have to choose multi-threaded debug. If you are going to use in debug mode and x64, like x64 you have to choose because we are taking the x64 libraries and debug libraries, and if this is release then you have to take that release libs here. So we are going to do empty, like static linking. So we are choosing multi-threaded debug. You don't need to choose multi-threaded, you have to choose multi-threaded debug. And if you are using that release build, so you can choose this thing. So for now we are in debug mode, so we are going to choose mtd. So after that you need to do, you need to go in the general. See here you need to add additional library directories, which is uh, yeah, which is here. See, we are adding some libs file, so you have to add this file path. So here I can easily add by edit anything. Okay, so then go to the input. So here we have to do some task. So first of the thing is you need to add all the lib file name here. See, whatever there are the libs file, you have to add these libs file, and one more thing, you have to add uh, these libs file. See, these libs file you also need to add. Yeah, so these 6 libs file you need to add additionally, that is Windows SDK library. So after doing this, just click on apply. Okay, and if you like write a code in Firebase and then try to build, then you will get a error. So see, here it is error, that is variant.h. You can easily fix it by going in the Firebase SDK, include Firebase, and then variant.h. Just open it, and you have to go to the line number 800. Yeah, 800. So you have to do it in the 2 lines. One is here. Okay, so after that just save it and close, and then try to build, and you will see some warnings, and but build is succeed. So this is the thing, to how to use Firebase SDK in your C++ project. So thank you, we'll meet you in the next video.